Hey, it's Marty the Pasta Guy. Today I'm going to compare pasta brands. I'm going to review 10 different pasta brands that are mostly grocery store brands, but I did bring a crafted pasta with me. It's a specialty item, but I needed something to use as a benchmark for perfection because I'm going to use a 5-star rating system. Price doesn't factor in. I don't know how much these are. I don't pay attention to that. You kidding me? I spend my money like $3-4 at a time. I don't care. I don't claim to be an expert. I am a frequent user, and I did work at an Italian imported food store all my years as a kid, worked for my aunt every summer. But then again, I may not be any more sophisticated than you, but that's the point. You know, this stuff came right out of my pantry. I've used half of it. It may as well come out of your pantry. I think we're going to be on the same page. That's what this is about. Nothing scientific, just my opinion. Mine and my good friend and close business associate Benito here. Yeah, don't get him started about pasta. I'm much more concise. Let's start with Rouse. Rouse is a really good grocery store brand. It's slow dried and it's bronze extruded. I'll explain that process. Slow drying is good. Not all slow drying is created equal, but it is technically, well, they say it's slow dried, but it's also, the bronze extrusion means that it's pushed out through, in the manufacturing process, it's pushed out through bronze die cuts that create a grain, a rough texture on the pasta to where it absorbs sauce better. I would give this Rouse a 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very good pasta. DiCecco, the old standby, the workhorse. This is what I grew up with. A lot of Italians I know grew up with this. And I would give DiCecco a 3.8. It's slow dried, but it's not bronze extruded. It's a smooth pasta, but it's very good. It used to be a specialty brand that you would find only in Italian stores. But now they stepped up their marketing and they're everywhere, which is great. Burilla. Okay, this is a bronze extruded Burilla. Everybody's getting into the bronze extrusion thing because a lot of consumers have caught on that, yeah, that's good, bronze extrusion. So Burilla actually got on it, so they stepped up their game because Burilla, a plain Burilla pasta is just like, I'd give it maybe a 2 stars out of 5. It gets soggy fast, it's just not good. But this actually is very good. This is the linguine, and it's called the Albranzo line of Burilla pastas. And this linguine is actually good. It's good. I'd give it a 4.0. The other Burilla that I have used is the protein pasta, and the only reason I use this is because I'm too lazy sometimes to wait for the 12-13 minutes for linguine when I make clam sauce, and this only takes 4 minutes, and it also will stay firm, unlike regular Burilla. It's kind of brown but not whole wheat, yuck. It's infused with plant proteins. I've also enjoyed it with garlic and oil. I don't know that I'd waste red sauce on it, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll give it like a 3.0. Okay, this is a Kroger brand Kroger is a grocery store chain, and this also is bronze extruded. Like I said, everybody's getting in that game. And it says it's imported from Italy, and they say they use good semolina wheat and all that, but any other grocery store brand I would not even try. But this one I thought I'd give it a whirl and see how it was, and it was acceptable. You know, I give it a 3.3. And this is a craft pasta. This is Rusticala di Abruzzo. You can find this in some groceries. I'm not sure if Whole Foods has it, but Whole Foods does have some other types of craft pastas that are good. But this is a really nice brand, and I would give this a 5.0. This is a small batch, handcrafted pasta that's slow dried. There's a taste difference that's very obvious, and texture difference. And the other specialty pasta is Granoro, which I like. I like their soup pastas a lot. Granoro is good. I'd give Granoro a 4.5. Also, Delalo. Delalo you can find in the groceries sometimes. It's really good quality. It's bronze extruded, it's slow dried, and these are the orzos that I use for soup, and this, I would give this a 4.5. I'd put it up on par with the Granoro. And this is the cream of the crop as far as grocery store pastas, if you can find it in your grocery. Di Martino is really, it's a fine pasta. It tastes like a crafted pasta. So I would give this a maybe 4.7. Di Martino. So here are my scores. I'll post these for you if this helps. And that's my rather unscientific but yet very personal opinion from someone who has eaten pasta every day of his life and still does. So maybe that counts for something. I hope it helps. Please check out my other recipe videos because they are so good. This is the best of the things I grew up with and things I've invented along the way. That's what I've been posting. And they're just all so great. I mean, everything is kind of a personal favorite. That's how good these are. So check them out and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.